Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do some examples of evaluating. We're going to talk about evaluating exponential functions. So evaluating, again, just means that you're going to plug in a value and you're going to evaluate the function at that x value. So for example, here are 4 different exponential functions that we're going to evaluate. So let's evaluate this one at x equals 1/2. So if I just plug in 1/2, that means I'm going to have -9 to the 1/2 power, which equals the square root of -9, which we know is 3i, which is an imaginary number. It's not real. Okay? Now, here, let's evaluate this exponential function at x equals 3. Now, order of operations is important here, okay? This is outside the cube here. It's outside the exponent. So, realize that there's an implied parentheses here around the 2, okay? So make sure you do not misuse the order of operations, or make sure you follow the order of operations here. So this would be 2 to the 3rd, which is 8, and then 30 times 8, which is 240. Okay, if you multiply these two first and then cube it, you're going to get a larger number, like 216,000, which is wrong, or something like that. So, but in this case, it's 240. Okay, now, what about this one? What if we plug in 2 here? Let's evaluate this one at 2. Okay, well that means we're going to plug in 2 here. And so this is going to equal 5 times what? 3 to the 3rd. And again, you want to make sure that you follow the order of operations. So again, we're going to do 3 to the 3rd, which is 27. And then 27 times 5, which is 135. Right? So that should be right. 270, or 27 times 10 is 270 divided by 2 is 135. Yep, so 135. Okay. Now what about this one? Well, let's do f of 3 for this one. So this is to the 3rd. So now this is going to equal 8 times 1.2 to the 8th power. Okay, now this one, I would use a calculator. Okay, so let me get my calculator here. Okay, so let's do this. And I get 32, approximately 34.40. 34.40. Right? I think it was a 34. Yeah, I'm sorry, 3440, that's right. 34.40. 34.40. Okay. Oh, they want 4 decimal places. That's another thing, gotta read the, so that means it's going to be 34.3985. Okay, and so that is how you evaluate exponential functions. And so next time we're going to start getting into defining and, more depth. We're going to define exponential growth, and we'll talk about that in detail. Have a good day.